What's up, Clef Tones? Long time no see, but as usual, I have been pretty busy with lots of projects. But hey, I wanted to touch base with you though on this cool new piece of gear that I just picked up. Very versatile, and I think it's a must-have and fills a lot of needs for a lot of people. Now, all you speakers out there that have those branded logo walls in your videos behind you, think about those cheap stands that come with them. You know the ones I'm talking about. They're so flimsy, you sneeze on them and they'll tip right over, right? Or they have those feet that seem to slide out of place all the time. You know, they can't hardly hold up your logo wall behind you. So you also hear me talking about controlling your environment all the time when you're recording. So what's one way that you could do that without tacking up permanent sound treatment on your walls? Or better yet, maybe you are an audio guy like me, hint hint, and you have a boom pole and a microphone that you're always holding like this. Yeah, you know the feeling when you're killing your arms just holding the boom pole like this. So what the heck am I talking about here? I'm talking about a C-stand. Right off the bat, I'm going to say these things are worth every penny. Easy to assemble, super sturdy, and as I've said before, very, very versatile. The C-stand that I just picked up is by a company named Impact, and it comes with a really nifty locking base, a shaft that extends up to over 10 feet, and it has a grip head to hold all kinds of neat accessories, like the arm that actually comes with the C-stand when you buy it. So imagine having two of these C-stands hanging your bannered wall from them. Guaranteed, that thing is going nowhere. It is not going to tip over. And for me now, when I do my audio projects, I can exercise further control over my environments simply by hanging one of my extra moving blankets over the arm. Again, that's included with the C-stand kit. Now let me throw it up on the screen right now, and I'm going to show you just how I'm using my C-stand right this minute. Right now, it's holding my brand new boom pole, which is holding the mic that I'm using to talk to you guys in this video today. It's a really, really slick setup. And you know, I finally upgraded to this rig versus what I was using before, which was a regular microphone stand, because my mic stands just aren't nearly as secure as a C-stand, and they don't provide the kind of reach that I really needed like my boom pole affords me now. Yeah, 2 foot reach versus 7 foot? No contest, guys. So that's what I've got for you today. I'll drop links in the description below for the C-stand, for the boom pole, and the fish hook that holds the boom pole with the C-stand. And I'm just going to say right now, it pays to have the right gear to get the job done. So here's to getting better audio for your productions, and we'll see you guys next time.